discuss here with you guys and give you a little update on is we had a little delay, as you can see here, with our cabinetry. Had a delay in getting this in. So this is gonna slow us down about 3 to 4 days. We had planned on being done next Friday. So now we're gonna push our schedule back to being done the following Friday to give our guys a little extra time to finish up this area. The kitchen is really gonna be the area that makes this house pop.